Hi guys, I'm Meg and welcome to my YouTube channel. I honestly can't believe I'm saying this right now, but this is my first ever YouTube video. Like, what? This feels so surreal to just sit down right here, talk to the camera, and just be me. I wanted to do this since so long. I have filmed videos, deleted them, doubted myself, waited for the perfect moment. But today I was like, let's just do it. Let's start now. Let's start today. So here I am, excited, and honestly I'm so grateful, alhamdulillah, to be sharing this space with you. And to kickstart it, I'm sharing my go-to Sunkissed summer glow look. It's giving golden hour, dewy skin, warm, natural slay. So let's do it. Okay, so the glow always starts before makeup. I swear by skin prep, and if your base is dry or patchy, nothing's gonna sit right and the glow won't pop like it should. I'm starting with the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. This one's more like hydration drops plus primer in one. Like, it creates a smooth canvas. It makes my skin feel like glass. Next up is sunscreen, but this one is so different. I'm using the Hyphen Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen, and look at my skin. It gives your skin that lit from within glow like a strobe cream. There are shimmer particles in it, but like they're just so fine that it melts into the skin. It just looks like healthy radiant skin. Let's build a breathable base. I'm mixing House of Makeup skin tints in the shade FL10 and FL20. I seriously don't do full coverage foundation in summers. That's just not for me. I love how skin tints give that my skin but better effect, and this one offers sheer to medium coverage and it feels super breathable. I'm blending this out with a foundation brush for an even finish while keeping that skin like look. Now for the concealer, I'm using House of Makeup concealers in MD02 and M02. MD02 matches my skin tone, so I use it to cancel out any darkness under my eyes, and then I go in with M02 to add some brightness. These concealers are honestly so underrated. They are creamy, blendable, and the coverage is a chef's kiss. Like, they make my under eyes look so fresh without getting cakey. Now to set everything, I'm using Sugar Pop Banana Loose Powder, but just in the areas I need: under my eyes, upper lips, and center of the forehead. I don't want to mattify my whole face because we want to keep that glow intact. Now that the base is fresh and glowing, it's time for the eyes. I'm using LAMEL eyeshadow palette in 402. First, I'm picking the lightest nude shade to even out my eyelid, using it all over my eyelids. Then I go in with a warm brown and apply it in a halo shape, so it goes on the inner and outer corners of the lid. And for the center of my lid, I'm using a golden shimmer. It just ties the whole glow theme together. Now, instead of using a liquid eyeliner, I'm using a dark brown shadow with an angled brush to create a soft wing. It's like way more subtle and wearable for summers. Setting my brows with Sugar Clear Brow Gel, it gives me that laminated fluffy brow effect. Brushing my brows upwards. Now the best part, curling my lashes. Please don't skip this step. It is so important. Now that my lashes are curled, I'm using Swiss Beauty Tubing Mascara. This one lifts and curls my lashes so well that it literally looks like I'm wearing extensions. Using a spoolie to remove any excess product. Wait, the eyes are not done yet. We're gonna highlight the eyes, and I'm using Maybelline Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Rose Quartz. It's shimmer metallic and it instantly opens up my eyes. Now for my brow bone, I'm using the same shimmer shade I used on the lids, just tapping it gently on my brow bone for that lifted look. Now that the eyes are done, let's add some dimension and warmth to the face. I'm using Pigment Mousse Contour Palette. It has a creamy moussey texture that dries down to a matte finish. I'm contouring my cheekbones and nose. Now, since it's a sun-kissed look, I want to go in with a peach blush. I'm using House of Makeup blush in Peach Cobbler. This one blends so seamlessly and gives a natural warmth. Now again, I'm gonna layer my blush with Sugar Glow Blush in Bare Magic 01. This is a liquid blush which gives an insane glow, and with whatever's left on the brush, I hit the forehead for that cohesive sun-kissed flush. Okay, now let's pull the whole look together with a lip combo. Lining my lips with Sugar Lip Liner in 01 Taffeta Terracotta. It's a rust nude with a hint of orangish that match the perfect beach vibe. Then I'm going with Focular. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but yeah, lip gloss in the shade Cat's Eye. Look at those juicy lips. It has a sheer nude color with shimmer in it. Finally using House of Makeup liquid highlighter in Meteorite, applying 2 dots on each cheek and blending with my fingers. At this point, it feels like it's a sponsored video for House of Makeup, but no, it's not a sponsored video. I genuinely love the product. Look at my skin. It gives a wet look kind of a glow that melts into the skin. And yeah, that's it. This is the final look. I did my hair off camera, kept it soft and beachy to match the vibe. It's dewy, effortless, and it makes you look like you have spent the whole day at the beach. Thank you so much if you've watched till here, especially if it's your first time meeting me. This was such a special video to film. I've waited a long time to press record and I'm genuinely so happy I did. If you like the look, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment which look you wanna see next. See you in my next video. Bye bye.